Well, at least I know the posi works. I don't know. That's my boy. Today, we're gonna clean these wheels up, clean this truck up after it went mudding. I don't know what made him think he was gonna make it through a wet lawn, but there it is. And I'm gonna bring this together. I'm gonna make that look like that. And it's gonna look great. Try some of this MEGUIARS out. I don't know how it's gonna work out. We'll give it a whirl, see if it actually does. It says just spray it on and it does its thing. So let's give her a spray. Goal is to see how much it changes the look of the vehicle by doing this. Just a little bit of cleaning. It's not perfect, but it's better. So yeah, I mean, there's no two ways about it. It looks a ton load better. But I'm not real impressed with this MEGUIARS polish. I mean, it looks good on camera, but it does not pull the filth out of the aluminum whatsoever. It just looks like soap and water to me. It's really gotten cleaner because I used a steel wool pad on it to get some of the marks off. But the weather's is such that I can't sit and really work on it. What I'm going to do is buy some other polish and try that. This truck just needs a lot of love. I mean, it really wouldn't take much to get the body done and together, because all the rust is out of the panels, just about, except for the hood. Let's see if I can. Is Rose the Wonder Dog? She's wondering how she's going to get in the TV. You wondering how you get in the TV, Rose? Oh, you're so... Oh, Rosie, Rose. Rose, watch the TV. Rose, watch the TV. Yes. Yes, what's going to happen on the TV? What's going to happen? Something's going to happen. Keep an eye on the TV, Rose. Keep an eye on the TV, Rose. What's going to happen on the TV? What is it? Go get him, Rose. That's Rose the Wonder Dog, wondering how to get into the television to get that dog. Get him, Rose. You crazy dog.